So I want to see how the proceedings go. That's why on the 21st, I'll be in Ghana. And I'm going to come to the Central Regional House of Chiefs with my father. After all these things, this letter, and I'm going to read it on air. I didn't want to do it, but I'll do it. Yeah, you see, recently I started talking about some chiefs in the Central Region. And you know, my father is at the Central Regional House of Chiefs. And I just received a letter from the Central Regional House of Chiefs. And the letter is that I have started doing an expose on some Ahimfubi in the Central Region, especially the Central Regional House of Chiefs. And I spoke about one chief, Abasa, Abasa on Hine. Now, let me say, I want to publish this so that people will know. Obviously, almost at the Central Regional House of Chiefs. Actual letter, come on, me papa. Nana Aidan Andor. And this is a public letter, so let me read it. Central Regional House of Chiefs. House of Chiefs, P.O. Box 139, Cape Coast. Now, the letter came from the President, Central Regional House of Chiefs, Cape Coast. And Nippon signed letter the registrar, Elijah Kwesi Asare. And the letter, the woman in Nana Aidan Ando the 10th. Omanhene of Kwamankese traditional area. Ayeldo. My father is part of the Central Regional House of Chiefs. Moya DBAC. I am directed invitation to meet with standing committee of the house. Remember, Ohini Binambe in the story of Hanan saying, the deputy president of the Central Regional House of Chiefs. I just want to put this on record. Now, I am directed by Odifo Amwakwa Bwedu, the 8th Paramount Chief of Breman Traditional Area and President of the Central Regional House of Chiefs, to respectfully invite you to meet with members of the Standing Committee of the House on Friday, 22nd May 2026 at 10 a.m. at the conference room of the House. The purpose of this invitation is to address current developmental issues concerning the chieftaincy institution in the Central Region. We count on your usual cooperation in this regard. Thank you. Signed. So the Central Regional House of Chiefs, from what I am hearing and my checks, they believe, or the deputy now, Makana Semono, today he has influenced the president. You see, the president of the Central Regional House of Chiefs is a very nice man. Now, sometimes he can have some kind of mobile. The way he has allowed his deputy, the corrupt Abasa chief, to corrupt the whole institution. Right now, they are calling my father to the standing committee of the Central Regional House of Chiefs to come. I will be in Ghana to go with my father. Because I'm a grown man. I don't live under the sheet or the roof of my father. I have the right to do anything I want to do because this is my job. This ejuma way ejuma meye. And my car from day one, nobody at the Central Regional House of Chiefs can say so to me, Papa. Nobody, none of you people. All of you are paramount chiefs like my father. Respectfully. Nobody. And nobody in the Central Regional House of Chiefs can get up and say, because of my work that I do, they are going to question my father about my work. If anybody at the House of Chiefs, Central Regional House of Chiefs, has an issue with me, you can sue me as a person. I can issue my address to the Central Regional House of Chiefs. My father will honor the invitation. Now I pray, with all due respect to the president of the Central Regional House of Chiefs, with all due respect, I pray this conversation is not about me. Because I'm a grown-up man. I have kids. I have a family. I have a company I have registered. I have every right to do my editorial here. I don't live with my father. My father does not have control over my job. I am hoping and I'm praying. I'll be in Ghana by the 22nd. And if any chief believes, say, enyano kra. The Supreme Court, the High Court of Ghana is there. And I don't stop any chief from going there because when you go, I will bring my evidence. So if there's any chief at the Central Regional House of Chiefs, the Abasa chief, if you feel I have said something against you, now you have every right to let your lawyers take me to court in Ghana and I will show up. Because with all due respect, no paramount chief is bigger than my father at the Central Regional House of Chiefs. He's respecting this invitation because he's part of the Central Regional House of Chiefs. And so I am praying with all due respect that I hope this conversation is not about me. Because if it is about me, then it means that it is politically motivated. There are people at the Central Regional House of Chiefs who want to take a case that is outside the House of Chiefs to try and embarrass my father. And I'll do every single thing to protect my father. There are some of the chiefs in the Central Regional House of Chiefs, when I was working to get the NDC to power, the Abasa chief walked to my father to tell him. In fact, it happened at the Central Regional House of Chiefs. About 7 chiefs came to my father to force my father to deny me, which my father never did. So if today, some of you think, say, my job is affecting some of the people at the Central Regional House of Chiefs, because there are so many Central Regional House of Chiefs, paramount chiefs. Why did I choose to mention the Abasa chief's name, that he's a corrupt man? Now, Ojisika. Why do you think I mentioned only him? And then the Regional House of Chiefs, but I gave respect to every single chief there. But that chief I said is a corrupt chief. And I know he's taking bribes. He's changing in Konya. I am a grown man. And nobody can use my editorial to intimidate my father. He will acknowledge, he will honor the invitation. But I hope, I am praying, with all due respect, that my name doesn't come up. Because that is why I have published this. That is why I have read this. So I want to see how the proceedings go. That's why on the 21st, I'll be in Ghana. And I'm going to come to the Central Regional House of Chiefs with my father. And I keep saying, there are so many of my uncles at the Regional House of Chiefs. So many of them. And I respect all of them. But that Abasa chief is corrupt. He's not supposed to be there. And he's the vice president of the Central Regional House of Chiefs. A very dangerous man. A very corrupt man. So I've put it in public. I want people to know my invitation. I need to go with my father. And I'll go with my dad. I'll be in Ghana. So invitation there. I am saying, I'm very sure my father will honor this invitation perfectly. Only there, he has never broken any law. Only be any problem. He will come. Now I am praying that nobody brings my matter up, because Nana Aidan Ando, enyam ne tia yeldo. Nana Aidan Ando, sebio enya ono ne tedu anema mi di ende. Nana Aidan Ando sebio enyo ne tia me light bill. Nana Aidan Ando sebio mindi 17 years. Mintini fie. Nana Aidan Ando is my father. And if we decide to speak about everybody's child, anytime I say, I hope it is not my matter. Because if that is the case, then it means Obia or what a Central Regional House of Chiefs are, or what problem with my editorial on that or channel. Me sure say Obia so oba. And I hope say Obia so ebi mo nyini. So what we have to do is say, if me, I'm doing my job, and so be better the me juma, then it is equally good for me to bring everybody's child or children in this matter. And I'm going for a picture of me and my papa. And pictures we 80s pictures, 1980s, ho baby. I check. Satana slave trade ho. And so now my papa, yeah, milk will be at the back. Ideal milk 1-1. And yet easy. Na enye easy. Into more here for mana. Na nsema begu social media Jimmy Mohono. Yani eska for mother dada. Yani anopani anum ideal milk back. Menkwa ansama ko school. Into picture na hu no na wo some aswan yesa no asone mom de na ewum first na me school ye a year ye bibi to say our day and I say ye nua no school and my friend saying vocational skills ye aduane masona na ye de bojanim say satana gas ri ho into masona de normal from titiri nyina na from aso opele asokete. And Obi from can say asokete me ko abram nya na from asokete near from aswa I asone de I first no me twem no wan twem ho pe maso tumi tiwoti ai maso etumi bo ano so intend amanfo mu say sa Kevin kura no dada bi sa ai me poppy ai na we chire ho no yeah Kevin ne poppy anope bia breakfast poppy me poppy ye dada bi o dada bi na enam de nyini still am na we dada bi they say them Uncle B any father B I some your poppy into me poppy B in that messiah Uncle B obi wo fa na me into our share table no so na hwe poppy ya hwe laziness table no so na boafunu inkurase for ma ehiafo MPP o ehiafo ma obi antimi fa ne papa mo papa fie na eyi point so eyi dining table so nkwasiafo na mo baby da asema konya dining table into your picture na international school boy anopa madresse I Michelle school attire uniform. You see me, you see my dad. We won't say I did work here too. And I'm papa anyone Ovaltine so and a bow white and oats and a goom and I'll buy right to what. Just say be a koye and a pioneer and normal, mini poppy normal. They be a mini poppy and a pebia I and that momia. Just say I didn't idea be I say me I did a bath from Titi. My classmate any papi could you I yatakura mbong wait till yatakura mbong yes banning you papa fine. Intiminium papa inyo. Minyom papa nyi intanopa no on say eduane wo fia bo wo fia kora nsu on say eduane wo so ha me na ma say hwema so ai ye vocational skills amaso ne di bojem akwa maso na nse na afono na epege kakranti my friend said that the Lumba girlfriend inti ama unshada nhuma so no na ada me boss akura o hado na mo say hey sa ko na fu na so yin sa ne twade su ne de na ba ai Libya ni inti. And the man was, oh wow, Kevin sorry that be so from Titina Yene Busa said camera ben try a camera, no camera and casa. Tama namo as young as 8 years, more camera, Miangas more camera, no more pen pal. I see young, no Japan. Now your camera will fear your future picture at 20 alcohol. A bofru, where Busa Wina Monto camera that 51 and Nakanswa, Jimmy, Motta Dan Krum, Kurabas and Passy, Sheska Wofie. Ufie na kalanda mbodi wa kala. We had dining table, ye ne dining table, be a kodidi. A bofunu. O papa, o yeni, and on the web social media can't quite some me. And a Kevin no, had I a year for, Babusian for massive for year for. A dana mutimo mukrum, not dining table, ni mufie. A fear mutimuni dining table, he. Your dining table on Konya or dining table no, and opa, midi old and some school, a bois, share, play this way, bonus one, o ma me get train the table no sono, quasiato. Menem papa de did breakfast and apa and say the Benz go school 1990 number papa to Benz abofunu motete social media here for ma mu fin owadwa it Kevin tell anie nice guy esi am ye na me the B da na me pop D I me pop B and me uncle B me da B a check me da B a check eskani bawo a check kura da yeah, you should come your camera and 8 with your camera and 8. Into the ambassador papa so draw him just take one and go out and play with your friends. Na makona ko iba akona sem kom kekra. Problem no day. Eduane wo fia akoransu hwese bani age. Mo sa time na no patututu afena ya board ya toto board ya ma kwase out social media edi me matam. Kwase ampan you social media edi papa tam. Me papa obobra. Sa time na wo papa Odi AC4 time na mo papa no nkurasefo omo na adwuma papa bi adi edada nkuram mo de net na twam se eye chamber ho kuraba hyempase nkurasefo ma ani gire bi wo ha mo kasa me mfi mu no because tetena nka mo nyina nka mo ye slaves o me fie anka yesoaso am koto mo ne abenkwan bra oh koto aturu wisa nti mo ti social media de mo ayefo na kwase bi a na obo Kevin Taylor din ehiafo ma 8 years na mo camera into me camera ba ko na ma me bra ba ko an ye fe no eye na ono isi o so for takrade Mr. Kemeti Hansen Kemeti Hansen a very nice pastor, a very very wonderful man. Kemeti Hansen me uncle ba ko no ye fe no Kemeti Hansen, a pastor in Takrade wa wo Takrade bia obehu no ye fe no Kemeti Hansen ono twa picture we cameras wo fie team we twa me so an here ma say ba team all right. So I am a very nice kid. Me wa picture me na church be say now me picture ba ko me kire wa ye fie na Panasonic wo ho 1980 asana me ka kire 80 so Satan slave trade ho ho ne ya sisan kofo efia santimem ko abrochiri 1980 asana me na okay enye nkran asam ne kan sa no kwase ampanyi social media na afunti Ufi, ebi mo see yero, Jimmy Forma, and Kevin Taylor, who tip enemy. Tell me the old, no, what the old, what you say, mo do one grass for, what the 18 as I'm Charlie. Satan Bluebird, and the Kojarania said, go abontini, near Achimota Sanders, go school, Quasia. Hey, Fabomo. It will become awesome. Answer about Kevin Taylor. For Ufi a picture betray. For we take the picture betray. Obekaso Kevin Taylor. Here for ma. My first picture ni Friday. Me ba me din so beba na ma huhuru menim. Our live TV so na me the towel paper medim. Oba na wo so asansu ahuru wedim. Friday a no filter day. Kwasiafo. Ya fa filter ntu video so a yentumi hwemo. Mo hu fin. E Jimmy for ma. Ya fa filter antum TV mu films mu videos so a muntumi nya video Friday me the chance beba chance wunim chance na me the towel boom na ma hohuru manim na wo say still the beauty is there. I handsome Kevin Taylor no filter bibia gam Friday ne be friend no filter day. After Friday wa be show I went to for towel and bonso apa wedim no me metena be Kevin Taylor ansam kwasiafo. You don't even believe in yourselves. Kwasiafo ma. This is me and my dad. Table no so. Anopa me beko school. Na mo bebre mu fie na camera ni wo. Ebe sim de mu fie camera ni wo. Ehiafo ma. Ehiafo. Mu piem na mu ba school a mu ho bon smoke nwusie ma. Mo enye jare na moko ye na ekwa kitchen. Ya na ebeko ne twetwa eye de bread. Ni a slice bread na de kosua to ene e friend kitchen. Obeko obo se toaster siwo na blue band margarine milk maybe the ideal milk bako me papa so obako 1 those times so ni anhwe nchiche nkurase for ma mo ideal milk ye hwie ni de paper sha no ni da kosi nsuom o de kwasia bedi me make o matam o de be am free ba o hia ni ba me na me papa cha 1 those times ideal milk na box na wo fie box anopa ni you 2222 me na me papa number ako me number ako papa number ako kwasia Friday a no filter day. Na Friday wa ba betena TV so, abetena Facebook, say me na me show. Na wa mfansu ama huhuru wenim improma. Baby show. Je kufu atena se amon kan kire me na me start show no. Na power de bebo akobisa Yesu beba. I think so. But Mr. P, I think that video, we have that video somewhere. Check in the archives. I know maybe they have taken it down, but I think we have it somewhere. We saved it around, I think, 2023, 2024, we saved that video. So if you're not finding it on the internet, it might be on the system. So check in the system, you'll find that video. You know, these MPP people, they are criminals. So, DB Baba started show, no? Fanboy. Definitely. Fanboy, no. I fitting Krabrim, you say, any fine boy, be a koye. You see, the girls no. Fine boy, be starty. And I was saying, you see, I'm in popini. I do milk too. The table no so over out no ho. Ya oats crack and a flask and a white one. So I did no friend saying, people peanut they be my numbi. Oh, it's like sugar, but it's not sugar. You know, they had something. It tasted like sugar, but then yes sugar. And the white poppy and pebia and am vitamins crack ho ehiafo I don't pay na calcium ehiafo mba obeko mufie no papa no mame no no mugu don peso and no medi matem I your dog your teacher say yan win kase kwase don't pay na calcium and kan kraman ka o krama onya obo legeda don't pay na calcium your tablet wa no ma ye ne nkora brim ye fie ne your tablet to table so ye didi kakra bia ne anom tablet no calcium ne am vitamin C te na me don't pay mo din when ya wunti ya se papa se ya dompe obekọ na ehia fo ma obugu dompe so se choba nkrama ya moa obedi me matam ehia fo glucose na white one glucose and pay bia popi ma edi glucose. Now just say e dey tin I find here dey me bomb me age chewe be shock you. Me bomb me age chewe be shock you. In China most of you this stupid kids mo just say me akora because me didi ye and I'm sure me hu see ye na be duru. In China mo hu say me akora. Hey, glucose and pay bia popi sa 1 spoon on the so take it before you go to school. Anything na ehiafo mo ehiafo mba na say ye dey share mutim say dompema calcium. Kwase to aponche oyare ogoku na we no calcium be na dompem. A tablet ye nenkwara brem no ne o supplement ye tablet a calcium vitamin C ye didi anopa kakra bi asoso ehiafo nkwaseafo mbedi matam obi anfa ne papa fie picture mra be kire me efie bi a dining table bi ansim bia ezu efie bi a na dining table nsim bia ezu efie bi a dining table nsim na ehiafo fie se wo de picture ba na se sa o picture the dining table nima na se na mo na mo da chem mo da edan ba akum na mo de curtain sa twam emmoa ese men kan say me fie na dining table so meaning say near rooms u fie u di baby da kwase pay you be dining table. All right, now let's take our business. Ye fan wom ai headmaster so say fan wom ye papa kofo me mo bia nkan asem me nyan start here. But you see, and I'm starting mo na mo de bae mo ko busa Stone Boy and I will prepare the food for you people. Me de aduane ne be ma mo every single week. And by the time I am done, obituary will be written in Ghana. And we are here, we will see.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past. J.J. Rawlings said this, and we have to always remember the words of Jerry John Rawlings.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.